हेलो बबल भाई बबल ਵੀਰੇ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਜ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰ ਆਇਆ ਹੋਰ ਬਾਈ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਨੇ ਗੁੱਡ ਬ్రో ਗੁੱਡ ਆਲ ਗੁੱਡ ਵਾਟ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਯੂ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਚਾਲ ਨੇ okay nice we got the tap and we are inversing this FVG so this is a new week opening gap okay what I would like to see is a sweep below here but let's see if we flip and close above I'll be happy to take the longs. GM bro Nexus, how are you brother? How are you? Doing great. Okay, let's get ready for the entry. We might get the entry from here. I'm looking for longs from here. How many points are here? 45 points. Get ready for the entry, guys. Get ready for the entry. We will get the entry here. It is going to be a quick trade. Get ready. Okay, if I tap this BPR, then I'll use this as my stop loss. Perfect. I'll use this stop loss if we inverse. Okay. Next is 1.6 are done. NYOG नाइस ब्रो नाइस गुड ਵਧੀਆ ਬਾਈ ਮੈਂ CFD ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਫੰਡਡ ਫਿਊਚਰ ਦੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਕਿਆ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਗੁੱਡ ਬ్రో ਗੁੱਡ ਸੌਰੀ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਫੋਕਸਡ ਰਾਈਟ ਨਾਓ ਔਨ ਦ ਟ੍ਰੇਡ ਬਟ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਬਾਅਦ 'ਚ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਆਈ ਐਮ ਜਸਟ focused on the trade right now. I would love to see this inversion and a structure shift, then we can go for longs from here. It would be a perfect A plus setup. Let's check what ES is doing for confirmation. Okay, we have a SMT as well, so let's see if we get the trade today. Today's Monday, right? So if we get the trade, that'd be a good start of the week. I'm sorry I cannot read chat right now. I'm focused on my terminal right now. Okay, let's have a take. Hey bro, Daman bro, how are you bro? Stop hunt from this would be good then upside. Exactly bro, that's what I'm looking because we also have a daily low which holds a massive liquidity, and once we sweep this low, then we can see a continuation to the upside, and also we're gonna touch this 50%. Daman bro, how are you? Until then I'll just wait. So we inverse this BPR. Basically this indicates we are not going up, and we also in the range. Awesome bro, आज लेट हो गए. Exactly bro, आज लेट हो गया bro. It is what it is. काम सी थोड़ा या. But still I think we didn't miss anything. कुछ miss नहीं किया ਆਪਾਂ. Okay, I think we're gonna sweep this low. Bro, I took trade on only one of my accounts. Should I go for another one for other account? Yeah, bro, go ahead. If you see your setup, go ahead. If you see your setup on the next trade, go ahead. I don't see any point of not taking the trade. If you already made profit on one account, you're already up for the day. So basically, I think you should go for the next trade, but only take if you see a perfect setup which align with your bias. Okay, yeah, let me change this color to green. Green is too much, right? So which color should I try? This looks good, right? This looks good. Yeah, okay, let's see. Yeah, we have the SMT too. We have a really strong SMT. Get ready, guys, get ready. We won't get any time for that. It's a very strong SMT, and I'm using this low. Why? Because we dumped and we created a new low. I can't use this because there's no FPG to inverse, so I have to use this. Yeah, I need to change my stop loss on the other account too. There we go. There we go, guys. Hold on. We'll get the trade. We'll get the nice trade, the best trade. We had a pretty rough week last week. I guess this week's gonna be banger. I have a feeling this week's gonna be crazy. Guys, if you guys use the CFD and you have multiple accounts, we are coming up with a copy trader where you can use as many accounts as you want. There won't be any subscriptions. All you have to do is just buy it and have a license and just trade it. You don't need license for that. Oh, sorry, you don't need a subscription for that. You're gonna own it, okay? Just a one-time fee. All right, so we are rejecting this area, right? We need a closure above this area, and then we can hope for a continuation. If I get a deep retracement till here at this level, then I'll use my stop loss from here. Okay, this might be it. We might get the entry. Let me just remove this. We're gonna get the entry, guys. We're gonna get the entry. We'll get the entry. Calm down, stay patient. We'll get the entry. Okay, buy limit. Okay, so I have placed my buy limit. Guys. Applicable for CFD only. Yes, applicable for only CFDs. You can trade as many accounts you want. There won't be any subscriptions, nothing. You can have as many as master accounts you want. It's the best thing. All right, I am in this trade. Type 1 if you guys are in this trade. Type 1 in the chat if you guys are in this trade. Type 1. Me too, let's go. Perfect, bro, perfect. Love it. See, guys, we can lose this trade. There's a 30% chance we're gonna lose this trade, okay? But there's still 70% chance we're gonna win this trade. So doesn't matter the 3 losses we get in a row or 7 wins in a row, right? It's all depend on the probability. So don't blame me for the trade. Risk based on your account. If you can take a risk, take it. If you can't, avoid it, okay? Just watch me winning. I don't guarantee a 100% win rate, okay? 60 points, 60 points, 60 points. We are delivering from, no worries, we are delivering from the new week opening app, okay? So let's see. We swapped it. We have SMT, we have inversion, we have CST, and yeah. We have to close up a recent high for really. Yeah. Yeah. There all the conferences are there to go up. But if it's not going up, then nothing we can do. Okay. So let's go over the analysis. We swept Asia low, we swept all this liquidity before market open. Okay, we are tapping into this new week opening gap. All right, we are tapping into this. Let me just make it small. We're tapping into this NY new week opening gap, NW opening gap. Okay, and what we see SMT with ES. Okay, we see an inversion which is nice in ticks, 10 points. Okay, 10 pips, whatever. And we see price changing the market structure. I don't think there's any reason price not to go hit our 1-to-1. Okay, so yeah, if it hits the stop loss, it's just the probability. If you look at the structure, market structure is bullish. So this is all the confluences. I took this trade. We have to close. Yeah. Drawdown is just a part of the game. Drawdown is just a part of the game. Okay, so in trading you will hit drawdown so many times in market, for months, for years, not years, for days, for weeks, for months, but eventually you're gonna be successful at the end if you stick to your plan. 10 a.m. candle open up. Let's see. Let's see if this 10 a.m. candle gonna sweep the low again, or it's just gonna continue up. Now we're open. Yeah, 10 a.m. candle opened up now. हाँ जी सर, की चलदा सामने आ ब्रो, चल रहा हले. In trade, yes, in trade. I'm in the trade, yes. And why you are not in the trade? Okay, the way the candle is moving, I think it's gonna hit my stop loss. because I wanted to see a push, clean push to the upside, but now it's just ranging and I think it's gonna go down. Let's see what ES is doing. ES is continue making the SMT again. Okay, we have another SMT now. I am also, but you should be in from here. Okay, so I am in from here. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a stop loss, guys. This is unfortunate that we have so many confluences and we are hitting the stop loss. Maybe SL. Yeah, I think it's gonna be SL. 100%. This is the problem with the trading. Even if you have a clean setup, you still can get a loss, and sometimes your B plus setup's gonna work. Let's have this PO3 indicator, HTF power of 3, and use this as 4-hour. Now this is gonna hit the stop loss. This was the last candle to see a push. It is very unfortunate to see perfect setup getting SL. Yeah, it could dump any moment. It could dump any moment. I think I should just stop taking trades at the opening. Not too soon, brother. Don't lose hope too soon. Just let it play out. Um, I think I'm just talking to myself that this can hit the stop loss and it's totally fine. And yeah, and the way it's moving, I think it's gonna hit the stop loss because we are already so close to the stop loss, and I don't see any crying method. Yes, you can try the crying method, or maybe just say Israel. I support Israel, or you like Israel. Just say that and see price going to the TP. Israel is my favorite country. All Israelis are my brother and sisters. I think this method is working. I'm still in this trade. Still in this trade. Oh yeah, I'm out. I am out from this trade. Another loss, another day, another loss. Right. Okay, so let's rewind what we had. Um, let me see if everything's closed. Okay, so let's recap the price. We had this NYOG, new week opening gap, okay. We had this sweep after the market open. We have the sweep, right? And then we inversed. Also, what I can see is there's SMT with the out. Yeah, same. SMT with ES. So the only reason to take this trade was the SMT and the closure. Now I think it can go up. Let's see on the other time frame. Yeah, I don't see any FVG, so we are tapping this NYOG 50%. Now we can still go take out those London high. Yep. Yep. This is it for me. It can still go up from here. If anyone wants to take this trade, you can take from here. But I'm not taking any setups anymore. I'm just gonna wait for tomorrow. I don't think. One thing I noticed, 9:30 before 10 a.m. setups all are just low probability setups. But it is what it is, because what I saw, 1 hour tap. Oh, I missed this. Yeah, we had this liquidity. But anyways, we wouldn't get any entries because there's no FVG, so yeah. Alright guys, like the stream. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow, 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. See you guys. Okay, brother. Okay, don't overtrade, don't revenge trade.